What if the greatest transformation in human history is not happening in politics, economics, or even genetics, but inside the human mind itself? What if artificial intelligence is not just changing what we do, but changing what we are? This is not a distant future. The revolution is already underway, and it is quietly redefining human consciousness. For most of human history, consciousness evolved slowly. Fire reshaped the brain. Language reshaped culture. Writing reshaped memory. Electricity reshaped civilization. But artificial intelligence reshapes something deeper: how we think, how we decide, and how we understand ourselves. For the first time, intelligence is no longer exclusively biological. A second kind of mind has emerged, and humanity is being forced to confront a powerful question: what happens when consciousness is no longer human alone? AI does not merely store information. It processes, predicts, learns, and generates. It assists diagnosis and medicine, detects financial risk, composes music, writes code, translates languages, and designs systems that no single mind could manage. In many ways, AI already thinks alongside us. It recommends what we watch, how we travel, what we buy, and increasingly what we believe. The modern mind is no longer isolated. It is networked. It is augmented. It is shared. Human consciousness was once private, slow, and limited by biology. AI changes that. Memory has moved into machines. Attention is shaped by algorithms. Creativity now collaborates with code. Thought itself is becoming hybrid, part biological intuition, part machine precision. This is not simply technological progress. It is cognitive evolution. But evolution always demands a price. If machines can think, what becomes of human uniqueness? If AI can create, will human creativity fade? If systems can predict behavior, will free will dissolve into algorithms? These fears are not irrational. Every revolution tears something down that builds something new. The printing press threatened oral tradition. The factory threatened craftsmanship. The internet threatened privacy. And now AI challenges identity itself. Yet fear misses a deeper truth. AI does not erase humanity. It exposes it. As machines take over routine intelligence, the question shifts from what can humans do to what is uniquely human. Empathy, purpose, meaning, moral imagination, self-reflection. Consciousness is not just data processing. It is experience. It is awareness. It is value. AI may simulate intelligence, but humans live it. The real revolution is not that AI is becoming more human. It is that humans are being invited to become more conscious. As automation removes survival pressure, humanity faces a choice: collapse into distraction or rise into awareness. We can remain passive consumers of technology or become conscious architects of it. The mind enhanced by AI can become sharper, wiser, and more visionary than any generation before it, but only if guided by intention. This is where responsibility enters. Power without wisdom destroys. Intelligence without ethics collapses. If AI becomes faster than human understanding, civilization risks becoming efficient and empty at the same time. Technology alone cannot save humanity. Consciousness must evolve alongside it. The coming era may not be ruled by machines, but by the relationship between machines and meaning. AI mirrors us. It absorbs our values, our data, our biases, our hopes. Whatever we feed it, it reflects back to us at scale. If humanity programs fear, it returns fear. If humanity programs greed, it returns manipulation. But if humanity programs wisdom, creativity, and compassion, it returns amplification. AI becomes the loudest echo of human identity. The future of consciousness is not artificial. It is augmented. It is extended. It is confronted. Humans are now forced to define what matters in a world where intelligence is everywhere. When knowledge becomes unlimited, meaning becomes priceless. When automation becomes universal, purpose becomes rare. And when intelligence becomes cheap, consciousness becomes sacred. This is the deep lesson of the AI revolution. We are no longer evolving merely through biology. We are evolving through awareness. The next age will not be defined by machines. It will be defined by the evolution of the human mind in the presence of machines. The ultimate question is not whether AI can think. The real question is whether humanity can think deeply enough to guide the future it is creating. The future does not belong to algorithms. It belongs to consciousness. This moment is not a threat. It is an invitation. An invitation to redefine intelligence. An invitation to elevate awareness. An invitation to choose meaning over speed, consciousness over convenience, wisdom over power. The AI revolution is here, but the real revolution is happening, and you please subscribe, like, and share your comments below.